Hello friends, welcome to another session of video tutorial on Selenium Java. In today's session, we are going to cover how to take screenshots in Selenium. Screenshots are very important in terms of deciding the behavior of the test case. Please subscribe, like, share, comment the videos on this channel. If you have any training inquiries, please contact me at techtrainerraj@gmail.com. Let us flip over to Eclipse now. Before that, we will open up seleniumhq.org and look at the documentation with Selenium API. Okay, let us go to Java doc for Selenium Java, and here let us search for take screenshot. Under Selenium there is an interface which takes the screenshot. We will make use of this take screenshot interface. Okay, so the example usage is also given here. I'm going to make use of that example which is available under take screenshot. Whenever you use API, some of them will have examples also, so make sure that you use those examples as your starting point. Let me flip over to Eclipse now. Let me close all these. Okay, I'm going to create a Maven project. I'm going to provide a group ID and artifact ID here. Click on finish. Okay, let me add the Selenium dependency here. I will copy it from the other POM XML file. I'm going to copy only the Selenium dependency. You can alternatively go to Maven repository, that is Maven central repository, and copy it from there. Add dependencies tag. Under dependencies tag, add the dependency for Selenium and save this. Okay, now go to source main Java, right click, create a new class. Provide the name and also provide the package. Since I'm not using test-ng, I'm going to enable main here. Click on finish. Okay, the next thing is I have copied some of the source code from the earlier example. You can refer to the videos which I have posted earlier for any of these examples, where I have explained how to create a WebDriver and how to set the property, how to create an object of Chrome driver, and how to go to that particular URL. So here the URL which I'm taking is Facebook. It will go to Facebook main page and it will take the screenshot from there. Okay, so far what I have done is I have created a driver which is using Chrome driver, and I have set the property where my Chrome driver exists, and I'm traversing to this URL which is facebook.com, and after that I'm closing the driver. So after going to that Facebook main page, I need to take the screenshot here. Okay, for taking the screenshot, I'm going to make use of the sample or example which is given in the documentation. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to import some packages here, which is java.io first, and text screenshot, which is org openqa selenium, and again output file type. Okay, so what this does is it makes use of the driver object which we have created earlier. Okay, and by using this, it gets the screenshot as a file. Okay, the second line is not needed for us. So what this statement does is it makes use of the driver. So wherever driver is pointing at that particular point of time, it will go and get the screenshot as a file, and then that will be stored under this file object, which is screenshot file. Okay, after taking this screenshot, we need to save it somewhere. For saving, I'm going to create a new folder here. Right click on the project, go to new and folder. I'm going to call it as screenshots. Okay, whatever the screenshot which we have taken, I'm going to save it here. To save the screenshot, I'm going to make use of another library called commons.io. To make use of that new library commons.io, I have to add the dependency for that in pom.xml. Go to central maven repository. And search for commons.io. Okay, you need to choose Apache Commons.io. Click on this, select the latest version, copy the dependency, and paste it in pom.xml file. Okay, so this commons.io library has got a class called fileutils. Okay, you can see that org Apache Commons.io has got a class called fileutils. I'm going to make use of that fileutils class, and it has got a method called copy. Okay, so there's a copy file, source file, and destination file. So this is the method which I'm going to make use of. The source file is the screenshot file which we just got the screenshot of, and the destination file I need to put in the full path. I'm going to create a path. String path is equal to, I'm going to call it as screenshots. So this is the folder which we created just now. File, destination file. Okay, now after taking the screenshot, I'm going to initialize the destination file object is equal to new of file, and here I'm going to provide the full path, that is path plus then slash simple screenshot.png. Okay, so this is where it is going to store the file. What I have done is I have created a variable called path, and I have given the name of the folder where the screenshots are going to be stored, and I have created a a variable called dest file of type file. Okay, after taking the screenshot, I have initialized the destination file with the full path of the folder where I want to store the screenshot to, including the name of the screenshot. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to call file utils.copy file, and this is the source file, which is the screenshot file, and the destination file which we have just created. Since this is going to cause an exception, I'm going to throw this for the time being. Okay, let us save this and run this as a Java application. Now it is going to Facebook page, the main login page, and it has taken the screenshot. If I right click on this screenshot and refresh this, I should be seeing a screenshot here, okay, which is called simple screenshot.png. If I double click on it, as you can see, it has given me the screenshot of that particular web page. Okay, now we are going to enhance this particular program. Whenever we take the screenshot, it will always be the simple screenshot.png. That is, it is going to overwrite this simple screenshot if I run it multiple times. So to make it dynamic, I'm going to make use of the date, time, and the seconds appended to the screenshot file name. So let us see how to do that. Okay, for this I'm going to make use of date time formatter. And I'm going to make use of pattern. The pattern which I'm interested in is dd, which is for day, underscore for month, and YYYY, this is for year, underscore. Now we need to take hours, minutes, and seconds. So hours, capital HH, and minutes, small m, and seconds, small s. After this, let us take local date time now. Local date time current time is equal to local date time dot now. After this, I'm going to create a string variable called prefix is equal to format dot, there is a format method which takes this current time. After getting this prefix will have now date, month, year, hour, minute, and seconds. This prefix now we need to add it to the file name. Okay, plus prefix plus okay. So now the file path will be the path which is the screenshots folder along with the prefix followed by underscore ss dot png. Okay, so save this file. Let us rerun this. Run as Java application. So it has taken the new screenshot. This time again refresh the screenshots folder. Okay, as you can see, it's 14 12 2018 9:35 33 underscore screenshot.png. So this is how you can make this as a dynamic. So if I right click again and run as Java application again, so there will be again another screenshot. So let me right click, refresh. Okay, so we got two different screenshots now. Okay, so this is how we can make use of date time to make the file name dynamic for screenshots. That is the end of today's session. Please stand by for more videos on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.